I see trees so green, red roses bloom. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Yeah.
I see skies so blue,
Skies are blue,
and clouds of white,
clouds of
the
white.
dark and the night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so many in the sky, and also on the face of people passing by. As it rains, shaking hands, saying how do you do? The lady saying I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow, and I'm much more, and I never know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Yes, yes. Give it up for Governor Alex and that wonderful singing voice. Giving the classic to a classic tune. Well, I think our time is running.